Hi, my name is Sarah, Director of Alliances and Go-to-Market at Logitech, and we're here at InfoComm 2023 with our friends Heckler.
Hi, and I'm Dean Heckler. I'm the president of Heckler.
So recently we launched a fantastic new product called Rally Bar Huddle for huddle in small spaces, as you see in front of you. But this has got a very unique cover and unique installation to make things even easier for our customers. Dean, can you tell us a little bit more about what we're seeing?
Sure. As soon as our team found out that Rally Bar Huddle would have a removable cover
That's so easy.
and cover options, we really thought we could have a lot of fun with that. We know the architecture and design community is customizing our AV credenza line with custom textiles, so we wanted to extend that up to the cover. So this is an example of a custom printed, what we call bespoke cover for Rally Bar Huddle.
That's beautiful.
Yep.
So large enterprises that really want their branding in their conference rooms can go ahead and customize that now. What about healthcare or education?
Obviously the removable covers are principally so that a fabricless version, the Easy Clean cover, could be offered to hospitals. And when we heard that, we thought, well, what's natural there is children's hospitals and trying to make telehealth much more comfortable for children. So printing custom graphics on the front of the Easy Clean cover is a service we'll be offering later this year. And not just for hospitals, but sports teams, schools, things like that. Any kind of theming you want to do on the front of the cover.
That's beautiful. Nice and clean, easy to wipe with sanitization wipe. Yeah. Love it. And then one more thing that you got over here. I love how the technology just fades away here. Is there even a Rally Bar Huddle underneath here, Dean?
There is. It's right behind the front panel here. The panel is wrapped in a textile that's the same textile that the actual Rally covers are made in. So same acoustic transparency. And this is just an example of a client doing a bespoke artwork printed on that textile. Yeah. So yeah.
That's amazing. Well, there you have it. Amazing AV credenzas and easy cleanable covers from Heckler for Rally Bar Huddle. Thanks for joining us here at InfoComm today and for being partners with us and providing great solutions for our customers. Thank you.
Thank you.